Let me ask you something. Have you ever studied for hours and the next day barely remembered anything? Yeah, that's frustrating. And no, it's not because you're lazy or not smart. It's because most students are never taught how to study. Top students don't study longer, they study smarter. In this video, I'm breaking down 5 powerful study techniques, including Parkinson's rule, that toppers actually use. Stick around, because even one of these can completely change how you study. Technique 1. Parkinson's rule. Let's start with Parkinson's rule. It says this: work expands to fill the time you give it. Think about it. If you give yourself 3 hours to study, it somehow takes all 3 hours. But give yourself just 40 minutes, and suddenly you're locked in. Your phone stays away, your focus sharpens, you move faster. That's not magic. That's your brain responding to pressure. Top students never say, "I'll study tonight." They say, "I'll finish this chapter in 40 minutes." Short deadlines create urgency, and urgency creates focus. Technique 2. The 80-20 rule. Now this one is huge. The 80-20 rule says that 80% of your results come from 20% of your effort. Top students understand this early. They don't treat every topic the same. They look for high-weight chapters, frequently repeated questions, core concepts that always show up on exams. Instead of trying to learn everything, they master what actually matters. That's how 2 students can study the same number of hours and get completely different results. Technique 3. The Feynman technique. This next technique feels uncomfortable. And that's a good thing. The Feynman technique is simple. If you can't explain a topic in plain English, you don't really understand it yet. After studying, top students explain the concept out loud. To a friend, to a wall, sometimes just to themselves. And the moment they get stuck, they've found the weak spot. Fixing weak spots is where real learning happens. Technique 4. The Zeigarnik effect. Here's something most students never realize. Starting to study is often harder than actually studying. That's where the Zeigarnik effect comes in. Your brain remembers unfinished tasks better than finished ones. Top students use this on purpose. They stop studying in the middle of a topic. So when they come back later, their brain is already engaged. Focus comes faster. Procrastination feels smaller. Sometimes, the best way to stay consistent is to stop before you're done. Technique 5. The compound effect. This last one isn't flashy, but it works. The compound effect is about consistency. Top students don't wait for motivation. They study a little every day, even when they're busy, even when they're tired. Small effort, done daily, adds up. Slowly at first, then all at once. That's how average students quietly turn into top performers. Here's the truth. You don't need to study longer. You need better systems. Pick one technique from this video and try it today, not next week. Today. And if this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's still studying the hard way.